Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. Because we have this problem outside, I try to create new things, and this is another kind of bread I am showing you because it's always good to make bread. Doesn't matter which kind. Then I try to make the easiest. This time we have to add the yeast and the salt, the dry ingredients again, and mix it up. And I have water, a little bit warmed up, and I mix it. And this is an easy mix. Just mix it together, and we have to wait 2 hours until double in size. Usually it's 2 hours. And the recipe will be on the YouTube site. And let me just do a little more. Has to be a little bit harder dough. That's it. And we wait until. So I cover it, and now I wait the 2 hours. And then you will see the other steps too. This time we have to fold it a few times, like half an hour, another half hour, another half hour. So we will see how this goes, and then you will see how I prepare it for day. It's done, and now it was 2 hours, and you have to fold it like this. I showed you the last video I put up. You just have to fold it over. Pull it, fold it, hands in water, pull it over. Airy. More you pull it, it's better. More. Pull it over. Pull it. Hands in water, it's easier. And our gluten is working. So just pull it a few times. Turn it over. Pull and turn it over. Pull and turn it over. Cover and wait 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes. Already. Let me sprinkle flour because we need it, because it's sticky. Okay, let it go out. Oh, looks so good. Sorry. Okie dokie. Flour underneath. Just work it. You can see the airy bubbles. It's a kind of toy. I love it. Okay, little more. And I can make it half. So let me cut the ends. Okay. Because everything is floury here, I cannot show you how I exactly put it here, but after I am done, I will do it for you. Let me get the other ends, and then I can form this like this. So I shaped it, and I can shape it a little more like this. Or if I don't like something, I can pull it still because it's nice and moves around. And let me do it here too a little bit. And now I have to cover it again and wait another 45-30 minutes. I have to move this a little bit here. Okay. But I like to see it nice. It's a very affordable bread, and you can make it. Basically, you just have to wait the rising time. It's done. I just made the divider for the fun of it. And now I have to cover and wait like half hour, 45 minutes. And then I show you again. You have to put water in on the lower rack, or spray a little water in on the bread or in the oven, and then will work for you. But don't forget to put this under the lower rack and warm up the oven for 450. So doubled in size now goes into the oven on 450, and water on the lower rack. It's in the oven, the water is under the lower rack. Breads are ready, you can hear it, and now I have to wait until it cools. And I cut it for you to show how that looks inside. So I call my bread no-name bread, because if I say ciabatta, then you will say something else. So this is no-name bread, and you name the bread when you make it any way you want it. It's still hot, but I had to show you how nice and airy, and I can't wait to taste it, but right now it's too hot. I cannot taste it, but I will show you how I will eat this fresh no-name bread. Eat the no-name bread with Hungarian roasted pork. And look at the airiness, and oh my God, I can't wait to eat it. Let me show you the pork. I made it. We call it süthús. You cannot have this all the time, but once in a while you can do it. And this is it with the fresh no-name bread. You can call it ciabatta, but you can call it any way you want. It's when you finish, it's your business how you call it. It's delicious, guys. You make it. Please make it. Okay? I showing you with the homemade pickles, Persian pickles, because this I can digest. And look at it, nice and airy. Oh my goodness, I am so happy I have this snack today. But no-name bread with roasted pork, or we call it süthús, and homemade pickles. It's delicious. I call it no-name bread.